Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change drive letter in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I show you guys how to do that. Today's video I am gonna change this drive letter guys. Let's change it. For that you just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window you just need to type disk mgmt.msc. Click on OK. Opens up disk management. You just need to right click on the drive you want to change drive letter and select change drive letter and paths and select change, and now click on this drop down. Now select the letter you want it guys. I'm gonna select E and select OK after selecting it and select yes, and now click on S to confirm it, and now the drive letter has been changed guys. Now you just need to close it off here and click on file explorer, and now we are going to check it guys. Click on this PC. Now the letter has been changed guys. That's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.